Good afternoon YouTube, welcome to channel. This is IBENZER MacBook Air M1 cover and I have purchased this from Amazon.com for $16. I love its wine red color of mine and there is a pool for 39 different color options, so I am sure there is one for you. I wanted to share it with you as this hard shell cover is a great price and performance product when you consider the price. Also, this MacBook Air cover kit includes a Magic Keyboard pad which provides a fresh look to the laptop. But in my case, I'm not going to use it as I prefer to use my keyboard with its original color, the black. On the other hand, when you go to the product page and check reviews, you are going to realize there are a lot of negative comments. Those says the cover does not fit to MacBook Air M1, which is definitely not true. And in this case, I start reading reviews after I purchased it and start thinking that I am going to have to send it back, which will be a waste of time. When I watched the how to install video on the exact same page, I said to myself there are two cases. First one, the seller is lying about their product, or the second one, buyers who says it does not fit to MacBook Air do not understand what they watch or what they read, as this cover kit also includes a how to do it manual. And one more case that people do not pay attention to have the warning that you should check your laptop version, which is placed at the bottom of your device. At the end, I found out the correct answer as I get my package from Amazon, and yes, you are seeing it. It fit at my first attempt because I watched the how-to video and read the simple manual carefully. That is all. But in case you start thinking to get one, I would like to show you how to install it and how it looks after for you to get an idea before you spend on this hard shell cover. Okay, I know this was a little bit long introduction, but I really wanted to explain what I have experienced while this buying process. Now it's time to get to it. Let's begin. When you get the package, we first see that it comes in a plastic zipper bag, which I really like because you can use this bag later to store your small items in order. And the kit also covered by a second plastic layer which protects it from scratches in the process of shipping. The inside of the shell is really shiny, but don't let it to deceive you because the outer surface is giving you a very soft touching feel which makes you think you are moving your hand on a piece of velvet. Also, this plastic part protects it from bending while shipping. This seller really cares about packaging, and it's a one more thumbs up from my side. Spare pads for the bottom part, but I am going to apply them on the cover to get more ground clearance. You can scan this QR code to activate your 1-year warranty, which I did not bother to do it by considering the price. The simple how to install guide that I already mentioned. Magic Keyboard cover pad. You can think that it will be slipped from the keyboard, somehow it doesn't. The button cover. Alright, how we are going to install it to our MacBook Air. First, get a soft item like a towel or a pad as a ground layer to keep your device from scratches. And open your laptop screen around 60 degrees of angle and attach the top cover by placing these two clips on the front edge. Make sure there are no gaps on the corners. Then attach the lower clips on the corners. While attaching these clips, be aware that you need to apply some strong pressure. Otherwise, you will be one of those says it doesn't fit, but it actually fits. You just need to apply some pressure. Okay, first part is done and looks nice, steady. The Apple logo disappeared. Of course, we have a solution for it, don't worry. To install the bottom cover, flip your MacBook over and make a pyramid shaped thing, you know, triangle. Place the cover like I do in the video, and then be sure you have attached all clips on top and both sides. And again, by applying some strong pressure, don't forget it. Finally, edges at the front end as well. So let's make a final overview if everything is okay. And now apply your extra anti-slip pads if you would like to get more ground clearance like me or not. It just depends on you. So the installation of the cover is finished. Let's check it. There was also one more discussion that the cover does not let the screen to open freely. As we can see, there is no problem. By the way, I want to make it clear, this is not a promotional video. I purchased this product with my own money and I am just sharing my experience to make a suggestion of an item that I really like. I really like it, and it protects my surface of my MacBook Air. I'm not going to use this keyboard cover as I mentioned before. This is just a demonstration to show you how it looks. Actually, it looks good, but I like the black color more. Cover fits and looks awesome to my taste, but there is one downside, that it makes the Apple logo disappear. So I have used one of the Apple stickers that came in MacBook Air box, the original box. It is a little bit bigger than the logo, the original logo on the laptop, but it is okay for me. Of course, if you have a smaller sticker, it would be better. After finishing applying all parts, this is how it looks. I personally like the result, and as I stated at the beginning of the video, there are 39 color options. Before ending the video, I should add this. This is not a product for you if you already have a USB-C docking station like this one, as it is not going to be attached properly because of the outer edges of the hard shell. In my case, I'm using Bezos 8-in-1 docking station, so it is not going to be a problem for me and for you if you have it, if your docking station has an extended cable like mine. Okay guys, if you would like to get this cover for your MacBook Air, you may find the link in the video description. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.